Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best petrol lawnmowers. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have a medium-sized lawn, consider this keenly priced self-propelled model from Cobra. It comes fitted with a reasonably hushed 140cc Briggs & Stratton 500 EOHV engine that is easily started in a standing position by using a pull cord conveniently attached to one of the folding handles. Its self-propulsion system is also easily engaged, and its speed is nicely matched to a fairly brisk walking pace. Design flourishes include a foldable quick-release handlebar for easier storage, a dottlesome height adjuster from 25mm to 75mm in 7 increments, big rear wheels for rougher terrain and easier turns, and a storage compartment for who knows what. The Cobra lets you mow in 3 ways. Conventionally, using the large 60-liter grass collector, downwards mulching where fine grass cuttings are forced back onto the lawn, and sideways mulching where the cuttings are thrown out of the side using the included chute. Its 46cm, 18-inch cutting deck is perfect for lawns up to about 600 m2, but given that it's petrol-powered, it will handle considerably larger plots. Such is Honda's excellent reliability record in all things engine-related, we're guessing this mower's powerful pull cord-operated 160cc OHC 4-stroke will go on performing till the cows come home, or at least until the next blue moon. Your neighbors will like it too, because its noise level is allegedly 30% below the current EU standard. The HRG 416 is equipped with a 0.91-liter unleaded fuel tank for lengthy sessions in the rough, while its 41cm steel cutting deck and 50-liter grass collector are of a decent enough size to handle half a tennis court's worth of sward without having to make too many trips to the compost heap. Its cutting height range is marginally better than some others in this roundup, 20mm to 74mm, so perhaps contemplate this model if you have different lawns made up of both long and short grasses. This mower doesn't have self-propulsion, so you'll just have to put some back into it, fella. Mind, at 29 kgs, it's not overly heavy to handle, even for this stick insect writing about it. It also doesn't mulch. Overall, we narrowly prefer the similarly priced Cobra mower, but this is still an excellent alternative. If you have a very large lawn, in excess of 40 meters x 40 meters, and can't be bothered with pulling on a cord to start your engine, have a gander at this well-spec'd stonker from the house of Mountfield. There's no unseemly huffing and puffing with this high-end model because it features electric key start, just turn said key, and the 160cc Mountfield ST55 ESOHV engine fires up in an instant. What a difference a key makes. This model has a huge 48cm cutting deck, an ample 70-liter grass collector with indicator to show its full 5 cutting height positions, from 25mm to 65mm, and, as you'd hope for a mower that weighs a hefty 39 kg, single-speed self-propulsion, a suitably stately 2.23 miles per hour for effortless navigation through the apple grove. It also comes with a mulching plug for those who prefer to have the cuttings fertilize the lawn. When you're done mowing for the day, simply attach a hose to the special fitting, turn on the tap, start the engine, and the deck is given a good water thrashing. Mind, avoid doing this on your patio or it'll end up looking like a swamp. The Harrier has many plus points, not least the fact that it mows a lawn to near perfection, while its 150cc Briggs & Stratton engine thunders on for ages on a single tank of unleaded. What's more, because it's so heavy, a whopping 37 kilograms, and comes with a rear roller, it lays a mean-looking lawn stripe, too. The Harrier comes with a 41cm blade, a large 60-liter fabric grass bag, and the wherewithal to propel itself via the multi-speed auto drive system, so you can mow one-handed while sipping on a gin and tonic. Choose your speed carefully, mind, because the 3.4 miles per hour top speed is decidedly nippy, and we've all seen the YouTube videos of runaway mowers careening through greenhouses. The Hater's a perfect choice for Bowling Green style lawns because its cutting height goes down to just 13mm, way lower than the vast majority of lawnmowers. Conversely, the highest setting is just 60mm, so perhaps avoid this model if you have long, meadow-like grass. On the plus side, it cuts right to the edge, meaning less time with a strimmer or edger. And that's a marvelous thing. This is the petrol mower to grab for large stretches of long unruly grass, overgrown verges and inclines of up to 45 U. Like a flymo, it hovers on a cushion of air and pretty much scythes through anything, even straw-like grasses. It's exceedingly good for mowing steep inclines because its floaty nature means you can simply sweep it from side to side. The included wheels, meanwhile, are especially handy for keeping it on track on difficult terrain and for moving the mower from one area to another. However, it only has 3 height settings, 17mm and 25mm, and no grass collector, so everything will be spewed back onto the lawn. The Airmo 51 Pro is equipped with a huge 51cm, 20 ABS cutting deck and powered by a reliable pull-start 4-stroke Honda GCV 160 engine that's relatively quiet and unyieldingly powerful. If you have a relatively large swathe of elongated grass that needs a good seeing to, this red grass mobster will do the deed. After all, if it's good enough for professional golf course maintenance staff, it's good enough for you.